So we're here, this is field number 4 for the day, here on day 1. Right now it's making in, I think in the 50s, mid 50, 55. I've seen some 60s, a little bit of 70s, but pretty good for this year. And that's about it. Just finished up day 1. Got about 300 acres done today. Just finished up this 80 combines parked. There's Logan. Logan's getting the tractor. And huge day from Logan. Huge day.
Getting low, and the other one's low also.
We got the main people of the servicing crew over here just loafing, not doing nothing. They're just sitting here.
Ready to go back.
ready to go get cleaned up. Need a Mountain Dew and ready for lunch. I think it's 8:30.
I have breakfast. Back at it, day 2, we harvest. It's an okay wheat. I think it's AP Bigfoot variety. But it's our first field of the day. Haven't really done much footage. Zane has, I'm guessing, pretty cold for lunch. Eat half my sandwich, drink a Mountain Dew, eat some Miss Vicky's sea salts. Classic. Here's I have some Chips Ahoy. shut down for a little bit more planting for soybeans because it got showered out and got a couple trucks here already, but I have 12,000 pounds cutting in, so it's making some weed. So if we don't get showered out, probably give this camera to Logan in a little bit so he can get some great car footage. But probably get some footage from the second camera next week. Third field of the day. We're rolling Zane's somewhere back there. I don't know where he's at, but it's not doing too bad for after soybeans. But I think we have like 50 some acres left out here, so we should get it done. But cutting away at it. Going. Got some neighbors cutting next to us over there. Got some gleaners. You won't be able to see them. And then we have some cases over there, and it looks like we have one John Deere. I think they're cases. But it looks to have what John Deere over there now. Wrapping this one up for the night. Here we go. Zane just got unloaded. I'm about to unload. That'll be it for day 2 of wheat harvest.
I guess I'll roll my window up, but Sipe and I are heading down to service. McGuire and Logan are in front of us. We got another crew right here on the way down. 8230. We got the red 8120. Green machines out there. Green over there, just outside of Pretty Prairie. But we're really looking forward to servicing here this morning. Get a full grease, and I'm not tired or anything, so we're looking forward to it. Just got the grease guns, Maximum Fire Pearl Snap. There, that. Yeah, sure, it's a good looking shirt on that. just see here if we can get the header hooked off. What? out here cutting wheat. There you go. Just didn't like the first video, so I had to get a new one. But we're just out here cutting wheat still. Right now, we're in the 70s here in this suite. We got pretty good wheat here. This is just Silverado. We're out here on the 230. But Emery and I, we're trying to get it done. There's chances of storms tonight. According to the radar and the future cast, it was looking like pretty hard rain. There's a lot of purples and stuff on the map, so hopefully we don't get any hail or anything that could destroy the wheat. But I mean, we'll take the rain for sure for the fall crops and stuff, but just trying to get this field wrapped up here tonight before the rain comes in. You need to say anything else?
No.
Emery's gonna record for a little bit. You recording the back? Or you're recording me? It's a good view, I think, right there. Good angle. I think that's a good angle.
Okay, here it is.
Is that a good angle?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're just cutting wheat, that's it.
Okay. There.
That's a good video.
No.
So as you can see, Logan just got the front filled. I didn't record the back. He's currently doing that right now. Thankfully, what you didn't see was right before he gave me the camera, I went to step down off the back of the truck here and ate it pretty hard. Lost my pliers, lost my hat and my glasses, but thankfully you didn't see that. So their camera wasn't on then, but now it is. So yeah, Logan's gonna fill me up here and then I'll get ready to head to the elevator and I'll pick up then. So here we are. I'm pulling onto the scales. We're at the elevator, and I'll give them my paper, and then I'll go to the pit and they'll get me unloaded. So now I'm here at the pit. Shout out to these guys. They're getting my truck unloaded and I can just sit here in the AC, so shout out to them. But yep, I'm on the pit now, so then I'll have to pull back around and hop back on the scale. So now I'm pulling off the pit. Gotta turn around, get back on the scale and weigh out, so that way they can tell me all the information about my load, how much I weighed and how many bushels I had. We can get all the moisture and everything, and they'll give me a ticket, and then once I get off the scale here, then I'll head back to the field and do it all over again.
Wrench truck, radiators almost plugged. Me and Zane got our spots got taken by the dads. We're gonna fly the drone in a little bit, but we're cleaning Brent's radiator while he eats first. We're still going out here. It's getting later. Zane just took his truck in. We're still cutting. Hold on, I'll show you. It's kind of hard to thresh the wheat with one hand. Quality Silverado right there. It's crunchy. Ugh. But they're running the machines right now. It's a nice night for some wheat cutting. Some quality wheat for the year, I guess. But we are currently trying to finish up, and we would have 390 acres done for the day. That's a pretty big day for the 2780s. I think that'd be 3 days over 300 acres. Probably, I think it's our biggest day yet. But we've been going at it since early this morning, so stay tuned for some good drone footage. Actually, I'm about to fly shortly. There might be some lightning in the back, I don't know. They said a severe thunderstorm watch for my location, so we might get some good drone footage, but might take a few pictures for the Instagram, I don't know.